In this tutorial, we'll go through the steps to model an iPhone in Blender. To get started in object mode, press Shift-A, go down to Image and select Reference. Now, we need to find and import a reference image of the front view of the iPhone. Scale and move the cube to match the size of the reference image. Then, we need to apply the scale by pressing Ctrl-A and selecting Scale before using the Bevel effect. We enter Edit Mode and select Edge Mode. Select the 4 edges to apply the bevel effect. Press Ctrl-B to apply the bevel. Press M to move the reference images into a new collection for better organization. Press H to hide it. Repeat the same steps. Import the reference image and scale the cube to match the size of the image. I want to adjust Blender's display settings for better visibility. Done. We will create a button from the cube. Scale it down a little. Move it to the right. Use Bevel by pressing Ctrl-B to round the edges. Add an edge loop by pressing Ctrl-R. Apply Boolean difference. Convert to mesh. We need to find and import a reference image of the left view of the iPhone. We will create a button from the cube. Move it to the left. Duplicate it. Use Bevel by pressing Ctrl-B to round the edges. We need to find and import a reference image of the bottom view of the iPhone. Scale it down a little bit. Shift-D to duplicate. Move these objects down. Use Bevel by pressing Ctrl-B to round the edges. Ctrl-J to join. Apply Boolean difference. Find and import a reference image of the back view of the iPhone. Now, let's model the rear camera section of the iPhone. Use bevel by pressing Ctrl B to round the edges. Create a cylinder. Shift D to duplicate. Press H to hide it. Create the glass surface of the phone. Press K to use the knife tool to cut and create the mesh. Press F to fill the face and create the camera section. At this step, we will apply materials to the components. Now, we will position the lights to create the lighting. We will explore the lighting in more detail in the next tutorial. For now, We have completed the iPhone model. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.